Main template file in a theme. Default role for new users. Where to set the site title. What is the WordPress loop? Default blog content type. Default taxonomy. Block for headings. Feature to schedule posts. Default DB prefix. What is the default WordPress admin URL? Which file contains theme details? What does the media library store? Which menu edits navigation links? What does a permalink define? Where can you update WordPress core? What is the main purpose of widgets? What is the purpose of a slug? Which menu imports demo content?